In front of me is POCO M7 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. And before doing anything, click on Change Settings at the bottom. Then make sure this switcher next to Show Unlocked is blue. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. When you're sure it's enabled, you can go back and tap on Add Contact to click on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to manage your contact list, click on those dots next to the chosen one and select one of those options from the pop-up. Move up, move down, or remove. If you decided to remove any of them, you need to confirm your choice by clicking Remove over here. So now when I go back to check it out, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up. Sorry, misclick. I can tap on Emergency at the bottom left corner. Then operate this blue button by holding and swiping it to the right. And see that my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!